Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss the last division test question paper 3. So let's see the first question. So see here, there was a 20 marks 6 marks question, and I have given you 20 minutes. So the first question is for each of the following numbers, find a composite number that is co-prime to the given number. Okay, so 6 question is here. Each question carry 1 mark, so 6 into 1, 6 marks. So see here, first one is 88. First question is our 88. So you have to find out the this is a composite number, and you have to find out the another composite number, and that is co-prime with this given number. Okay, so see here. So 88, for 88 how to solve it? So at first you have to express the number as a product of the prime factors and 1. So you express do like this way, and then you do write down that they express the number 88 as product of the prime factors and 1. So 88 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 1. So see, 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 1. So the other composite number, so this is one composite number, the other composite number, that is co-prime to the given number. So this another composite number you have to find out, and that will be co-prime with this number 88. Okay, so let's see. So see here, the other composite number is, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 1. So we cannot take 2 because 2 is common here. So co-prime number means within the two numbers, if that there have only 1 as a common factor, so we can't take 2. So next number is 3. So 3 is also a prime number, so you take 3. And then next you have to think about the 4. We can't take because 4's factor is 2 and 2, so that's why we can take 4. So that's why we can take 5. So 3 into 5 into 1, so the 15. So 15 is the other composite number that is co-prime to the given number, because the only common factor between 88 and 15 is 1. So see here, only one common factor is 1 in between 88 and 15. So in between two numbers 88 and 15, only one is a common factor, but other numbers is 3 and 5, both are not present in 88 factors. So that's why it is a co-prime numbers, and also it is a composite number. So next number is 52. So you have to express, first of all, express the number as a product of the prime numbers and 1. So do like this way, and then you have to find out the next composite number. So you see here, I have taken 3 because 2 is here, so I can't take 2. So I have taken here 3. And next number you have, for this actually I want to say something. So always you check the numbers from the beginning, so like 1 2 3 4 like this way. So but here you see this, I have to choose the another composite number that is co-prime to the given number. Okay, so for this you see here 2. So you see here factors 2, so he is nearest means composite number is you see here 3. And 3 into 11 I am taking because 11 is very nearest to the 13, and that is also is not present here. So that's why 3 into 11 into 1, so 33. So 33 is another other composite number that is co-prime to the given number, because the only common factor between 52 and 33 is 1. So like this way you have to check which number is the is composite and as well as the co-prime to the given number. Okay, so next number is 81. So 81, next 81, at first you have to express the number as a product of the prime factors and 1. So like this way we have to express, and then you see here, you see 81 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. So you see here the so 4 3 is multiplication, we will get 81. So we have to choose the number like that way. So you see here 3 is here, so we have to choose like that number that will be composite and as well as the coprime to the given number. So the other composite number that is coprime to the given number is 2 into 2, because you see here 3 is 3 3 3 like this way, the other number is not here, so only 3 is multiplication here, so that's why I am taking 2. So 2 into 2 into 1, so 4 is the other composite number that is coprime to the given number, because the only common factor between 81 and 4 is 1. See, next number is 256. So 256, at first you express the number as the product of the prime factors and 1, so like this way I express. Then you have to choose the same way the another composite number, and that is coprime to the given number. So I have taken here 3 into 3 into 1, because all these numbers is 2 multiplication, not the other number, so that's why I am taking 3's multiplication. So 3 into 3 into 1, so 9. So 9 is the other composite number that is coprime to the given number, because the only common factors between 256 and 9 is 1. Now is the 216. So 216, at first you express the number as a product of the prime factors and prime numbers and 1. So you do like this way, and then the other composite number that is coprime to the given number is 5. I have taken 5 because 2 with 3 is already here, so I have taken 5. And next number is 7. So 5 into 7 into 1, so 35. So 35 is the other composite number that is coprime to the given number, because the only common factor between 216 and 35 is 1. Okay, so the last question of this revision test question paper 3, the 1115. So you have to express the number as the product of the prime numbers and 1. So do like this way, and you see the other numbers, other composite number that is coprime to the given number. So you see here 2 is not here, so I have taken 2, and then 3 is here also, 5 is here also, 7 is here also. We can't take 9, 8, 9, 10. So we and 11 also is here. So next prime number is 13. So 2 into 13 into 1, so means 26. So 26 is a other composite number that is coprime to the given number, because the only common factor between 1155 and 26 is 1. So like this way you have to do all those problems, and hope all of you have done. So you check the answer is correct or wrong, and if you have any doubt, let me know. And in next day I will take your whole half yearly portion syllabus, whatever you got, that whole syllabus revision test I will take it. Okay, so then afterwards I will revise this separately each of the chapter. Okay, so next Monday, next week Monday I will take one whole revision test. I will take a revision test whole full the half yearly chapters, whatever chapters is I have given you as a half yearly portion, that's whole chapters revision test I will take it. Okay, so you practice it, and then I will that next day I will discuss it, our question papers also. Okay, so all the best. Thank you students. Bye. Take care.